Honeybee wings under a microscope. Upon closer inspection under the microscope, honeybee wings reveal a fascinating array of intricate features. The transparent membranes are crisscrossed by a network of delicate veins, meticulously arranged to provide structural support and flexibility during flight. These veins not only maintain the wing's shape but also play a crucial role in optimizing aerodynamic performance. Covering the surface of the wings are numerous tiny hairs, known as microtrichia, which serve multiple purposes. These hairs aid in reducing air resistance, allowing the bee to fly more efficiently. Additionally, they play a vital role in the collection of pollen, as they trap pollen grains during the bee's foraging expeditions. Despite their fragile appearance, honeybee wings are surprisingly resilient. They possess a remarkable ability to withstand the rigors of flight, including sudden changes in direction and speed. This resilience is essential for the bee's survival and its ability to fulfill its crucial role in pollination and ecosystem health. By examining honeybee wings under the microscope, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate adaptations that enable these remarkable insects to thrive in their environment. Each microscopic detail serves a specific function, contributing to the overall success of the honeybee as a pollinator and essential member of the ecosystem. This understanding highlights the interconnectedness of species within ecosystems and underscores the importance of protecting pollinators for the health of our planet.
Witness the intricate details and hidden beauty of everything from tiny organisms to everyday objects. Ready for a closer look? Check out our YouTube channel for more fascinating discoveries. Link in the bio. Witness the intricate details and hidden beauty of everything from tiny organisms to everyday objects.